So what I have here is basically a piece of wood that we've treated here on the front. I've left the sides untreated so you could see a bit of a difference, you know, on what your house would look like with or without the treatment. Well, the front here is treated, and as you can see, you know, it goes out, it self-extinguishes. The sides aren't treated, so this is what your house would be doing if it's not treated. As you can see, you know, the sides basically are igniting, but the part that's treated isn't igniting. It basically goes out like a trick candle. This part here, you know, that's not treated burns. What we have here is we have the fire blanket. This is basically the fire blanket off the space shuttle. And as you can see, this is a MAP gas torch. If you Google MAP gas, it goes up to 5,300 degrees. There's no smoke or fumes whatsoever. And my hand's underneath it. So this is what we use to protect the windows. In a fire scenario, when you have, you know, even if we're spraying the home, your windows are going to be your weakest link. You know, it's going to penetrate the windows and blow your windows out and get inside the house. So this keeps that from happening. This is a fire shelter that I designed for the U.S. Forest Service using the same materials. And this is what we're using to protect the firefighter, okay? This is what a firefighter basically gets under, you know, during a wildfire. So you can see.